The DJI Avata 360 is redefining the world of FPV drones by merging immersive first-person flight with a cutting-edge 360-degree camera system. For years, FPV drones have been synonymous with speed and agility, but they often come with a steep learning curve, requiring pilots to fine-tune flight controls, stabilize footage, and capture cinematic shots with trial and error. The Avata 360, however, is designed for creators of all levels, combining precision, responsiveness, and accessibility. From the moment you take off, it feels refined and capable, offering the thrill of FPV flying without the frustrations of complicated setups or steep learning curves. One of the first things you notice about the Avata 360 is its compact, ducted design. It is aggressive and futuristic, yet highly functional. The ducts around the propellers not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve durability and flight stability. They protect the propellers from collisions and allow pilots to confidently navigate tight indoor corridors, urban environments, or forested areas. This means creators can focus on creativity rather than worrying about damaging the drone during complex maneuvers. The lightweight yet durable design is a major selling point, giving the drone both agility for fast action and resilience for repeated cinematic runs. The real game changer, however, is the drone's integrated 360-degree camera system. Unlike traditional FPV drones that rely on a single forward-facing lens, the Avata 360 captures every angle at once. This allows for complete coverage of your environment and provides creators with unparalleled flexibility in post-production. Shots that might have required multiple drones or reshoots can now be reframed, cropped, or rotated after the flight, giving creators the freedom to perfect their composition. Whether flying through a city, dense forest, or open terrain, every angle is captured with clarity and cinematic detail, making missed shots a thing of the past. Stabilization is another area where the Avata 360 shines. The gimbal system ensures footage remains smooth, even during high-speed dives, flips, or sharp turns. DJI has cleverly designed a rotating gimbal that protects the bottom lens by flipping it upward when necessary. This prevents damage during takeoff, landing, or close-range maneuvers, allowing creators to fly aggressively without worrying about the camera's safety. The result is footage that feels smooth, stable, and cinematic, even in situations that would challenge most traditional drones. Performance-wise, the Avata 360 is highly responsive. It offers precise flight control, strong wind resistance, and intuitive handling. When paired with DJI's motion controller and FPV goggles, the drone provides an immersive flying experience. Pilots can see from the drone's perspective in real time, translating natural hand movements into smooth maneuvers. This setup is perfect for beginners who are new to FPV flying, offering a gentle learning curve, while advanced users can explore high-speed aerial stunts and creative shots with total confidence. The creative possibilities of the Avata 360 are expansive. With a full 360-degree field of view, the drone allows creators to capture every moment without compromise. This capability is especially valuable for action-packed scenes, fast-moving subjects, or environments with obstacles. By recording the entire scene, creators can adjust framing and angles in post-production, making it possible to achieve perfect cinematic shots even in dynamic or unpredictable conditions. The drone's ability to capture immersive footage with minimal effort makes it a powerful storytelling tool for vloggers, travel filmmakers, and professional content creators alike. Safety and durability remain a key focus. The Avata 360's ducted frame and propeller guards protect both the drone and the environment during tight maneuvers. Advanced sensors and flight assist features provide situational awareness, helping pilots avoid obstacles and fly confidently. Whether navigating narrow indoor corridors, weaving between trees, or performing fast outdoor sequences, these features reduce the risk of crashes while ensuring smooth flight. For new FPV pilots, this adds a level of security that builds confidence and encourages creative experimentation, while experienced users benefit from the freedom to push the drone to its limits. Another highlight of the Avata 360 is its hybrid design. DJI has combined a traditional FPV drone with a fully integrated 360-degree camera system, merging two technologies that previously existed separately. This approach allows creators to capture both high-speed action and immersive panoramic footage with one device. Instead of juggling multiple drones or rigs, the Avata 360 provides a single, versatile platform for cinematic storytelling. Early leaks and promotional material show that DJI has balanced aesthetics and function, producing a drone that is both visually striking and highly capable in practice. Flight immersion is enhanced by DJI's ecosystem of controllers and FPV goggles. The motion controller enables precise, tactile maneuvering, while the FPV goggles give pilots a real-time first-person view of the drone's flight path. Intelligent flight modes and advanced tracking algorithms further simplify capturing complex sequences. These features allow pilots to maintain focus on storytelling, knowing that the drone's stabilization, tracking, and obstacle avoidance are working to keep the shot smooth and professional. The result is a flying experience that is intuitive, immersive, and incredibly rewarding for creators of all skill levels. The post-production advantages of the 360-degree camera system are significant. By capturing footage from every angle simultaneously, creators can reframe, crop, or adjust shots in ways impossible with standard drones. This flexibility is particularly useful when filming unpredictable subjects, action scenes, or intricate indoor shots. It eliminates the need for multiple retakes and provides unparalleled freedom in editing. For vloggers, travel filmmakers, and professionals, this ability to fine-tune composition and perspective after the flight saves time and opens up new creative possibilities that were previously unattainable with single-lens drones. Durability and reliability remain core strengths of the Avatar 360. The ducted propeller system, reinforced frame, and intelligent sensors work together to provide a safe and smooth flight experience. Pilots can confidently perform high-speed maneuvers, navigate tight spaces, or attempt advanced cinematic shots without worrying about damaging the drone. This combination of robustness and smart technology makes the Avatar 360 an ideal choice for creators who want both creative freedom and dependable performance. Battery life and efficiency have been optimized for longer flight sessions. The Avatar 360's improved power management allows creators to film extended sequences without interruptions. Fast charging capabilities reduce downtime, allowing the drone to be ready for the next shot quickly. This is particularly valuable for travel content creators, outdoor filmmakers, and anyone capturing complex sequences on location. The combination of extended battery life, efficiency, and reliable power ensures creators can focus on storytelling instead of managing equipment. In short, the DJI Avatar 360 is much more than an FPV drone. It is a comprehensive tool for creators seeking professional quality aerial footage with the flexibility to experiment and innovate. By integrating immersive flight, a 360-degree camera system, advanced stabilization, and intelligent controls, DJI has created a platform that balances accessibility for beginners with high-level capabilities for experienced pilots. Its design, performance, and creative potential make it a unique addition to the drone market, poised to inspire a new wave of content creators in 2026. Ultimately, the DJI Avatar 360 is a landmark product in FPV technology. By merging the worlds of immersive FPV flight and 360-degree cinematic capture, DJI has delivered a device that is intuitive, powerful, and flexible. It offers creators the freedom to capture stunning aerial footage while maintaining control and confidence in flight. With its compact design, robust stabilization, intelligent systems, and immersive camera capabilities, the Avatar 360 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones of 2026, a tool that will redefine how creators approach FPV filmmaking and aerial storytelling.